Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. I have a quick Dollar Tree haul to share with you. As usual, I will go through the items one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so starting off with the grocery items that I picked up. Usually when I go to the Dollar Tree, I get super thirsty, and I do like getting the Dasani water, and this is 591 mils. I picked up a couple boxes of the SureFresh sandwich bags, and you get 58 bags in the package, and these are the zipper seal. I also picked up their Club Supreme fruit cocktail in light syrup. These are the 398 ml cans, and I do really like this one, so I thought I'd pick up a few of those. Next, I picked up these ball of foot cushions by Body Matters. So you do get 2 for a set of shoes. And I have tried these before, and these seem to work really well. They help reduce and relieve ball of foot pain, almost invisible, reusable, and ideal for all shoes. I picked up a package of the Jot erasers. You get 6 in a package, and self-explanatory really. My daughter needed them for school, so I really like these ones. I noticed that Dollar Tree, now maybe I just wasn't looking really good in the toy section, but I came across these items that are by a brand called Just Pretending. Learn, Grow, and Play. And they had some, they kind of reminded me of Polly Pocket dolls. Even how you put their clothing on, it's very similar to Polly Pocket, only they were a little bit larger in size, and I thought they were really cute. I did take pictures, so they are at the beginning of this video, but those were in this same line called Just Pretending. So I came across these kitchen play sets, and I did have a little kitchen that I got on clearance from Giant Tiger. And I thought these would go really cute with that if I end up gifting it to someone. Just because I really like the way the pans look, and even the food and the knife. It just looks more realistic. So I thought these would be really cute to go with that. And then along with that, I ended up getting this kitchen play set. There's 8 pieces. And they had some different ones, but for now I only picked up this one, but I might pick up a few more to add with the kitchen set. And these had donuts and ice cream cones, and then the ice cream on top that you can place on the cone, the carton of milk, and I think there's a piece of chocolate in here. So really cute for Just Pretending. Okay, next up, I was over in the baby aisle, and I did pick up some things that I can add to my reborning stash for when I make box openings when I'm sending out a doll. So I do like to check at the Dollar Tree because many times I can find brand name items as well, and that's a really great item to place in a box opening. So to start off, I picked up these socks. They are by Angel of Mine, and I thought they were really cute. The sizing was what I was looking for as well, and they have a giraffe and a tiger on them. In my last haul, I already showed these, but I had mentioned that if I went back to Dollar Tree again and they had them, I wanted to grab a few more after seeing these at Walmart priced for $7, and they look pretty much the exact same. The animal might have been different, but they were the exact same. They look like they're very well made. The fabric, the Velcro, everything seemed the same. So I thought for $1.75, that is a great deal. And these are the silicone teething mitt by Be Pure. And you can see the age is 0 to 18 months. So I did pick up 2 more of those. I then picked up this fruit feeder by Angel of Mine. It is BPA free, which is always nice to see. The stage is stage 2, which is 6 to 12 months. I picked up another pack of these Angel of Mine infant flatware. I thought they were adorable and a great little prop to add for a box opening, or a great little gift to add in a gift bag if you are making up a gift for someone who has had or is having a baby. And these are really cute with all the little woodland critters. They are BPA free as well. And why does it say 8P? Oh, okay, there's 2 of each. I didn't even know that. I thought there was only 4, but there is 2 of each. So really nice for $1.75. I picked up these diaper disposal bags, a great little thing to keep in a diaper bag. They are by Angel of Mine as well, and you get 75 pieces. Scented to neutralize odors, handles tie for quick and secure closure, perfect for home and travel. I picked up a baby bottle brush, again BPA free, by Angel of Mine. And pretty straightforward, but it has the little brush on the end of the handle, and then the larger one for the bottle. I picked up this 3-piece manicure set by Baby King. Nail clipper, emery board, and scissors. So cute little set to add in a gift. I picked up this little spill-proof cup, and I did get it in the green color because I figured it can either go for girl or boy, and I really liked the little print here on the front. I picked up a package of the Fisher-Price baby wipes. You get 64 wipes in this package. It's 99% water, soft, sensitive, and fragrance-free for babies. And that is the Fisher-Price brand. I picked up a pack of the Essentials children hangers. I did need some of those to hang up a lot of the baby clothes that I have, just to organize them. You get 6 in a pack, and they are a nice sturdy plastic and also lightweight. I picked up this Baby's Choice baby soap, gentle and enriched with shea butter and vitamin E, and you do get 2 for $1.75. I then, let me do these first. I picked up a package of the cotton swabs. I mean, these you can use for so many things, but a great little item to add again in a gift basket. By Simply Soft, you get 55 cotton swabs. And they are 100% natural cotton. And these are the safety swabs. So they have the thinner tip on the end and then the larger cotton below it. I picked up another of these Angel of Mine shampoo rinsers. They are BPA free as well. You can use them for so many things. I actually picked this one up for when I bathe my puppy. Well, he's not a puppy anymore, but I always say it that way. So yeah, I did pick this up for him when I give him a bath. And it's nice to know that it's BPA free as well. Then I picked up this burp cloth. They only had one. I love this print and I wish they had more. By Angel of Mine as well. It is 20 by 12 inches. And then I ended up finding, there were a few more of these. I should have picked up another few more to keep in my stash, but they did have the same print in the fleece baby blanket, which is 30 by 30 inches, and again by Angel of Mine. I talked about how they finally have some white onesies. I did see for a little bit now the blue and pink onesies, but never saw the white, and they do have them there. I picked them up last time I went and I grabbed a couple more. These are the newborn, so stage 0, and they are by Angel of Mine as well. Yeah, so I thought that was a really nice find for the baby section. And then the last things I have to show you are seasonal, so for the Valentine season. And I thought these plushies were absolutely adorable. So they had them in different colors. I picked up the red, peach, and yellow. So the red says True Love. The yellow says Sweet. And the peach color says You're Cute. These are really, really nice. I was pleasantly surprised with these plushies. Then I picked up this decor, tabletop decor. It says Sweeter Than Sugar, and it has a little piece of cake and a cupcake. Really cute. Then I came across these decorations, and you get 2. So they are a faux cupcake. And being that I have a seasonal tree, I do like to decorate it for all of the seasons and holidays. So with these, I'm going to add a few to my tree, but I also wanted to place some on a cake stand. And so just to elevate this, I mean, obviously, if you make the faux food, that is adorable. I haven't got around to making any at all yet, but that is the plan. But in the meantime, just for something quick to put together, I thought these cupcakes would look really cute. And I wasn't crazy about the bottom of them because they're white. I mean, it would have been really nice if they had it look more like a cupcake liner. So what I did was at my Dollarama, I love these Betty Crocker baking cups. You get 24 in a package, and they are paper, and look how cute those are. And so I just simply took the cupcake and then placed it in, or the decoration, and placed it in the liner, and I think that looks really cute. So I'm gonna just snip off the little hanging part on the cupcake, and then sort of fill that hole in a little bit. And I think these will look really cute for a little display for Valentine's Day. And yeah, pretty cute. And the last thing I have here to show you, I always like picking up the different types of headbands. And these ones I thought were really, really cute. They are the glitter, and I think they do flip. Yes, they do. You can flip these, but they're red on both sides. So I did pick up one of the headbands in the red, and then the exact same one in the pink. And that is my Dollar Tree haul for this week that I've gone to Dollar Tree. Wasn't a huge one, but I really like the things that I ended up finding, and I really, really think these plushies are super cute. So I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. If you did, please give or thumbs up the video, share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. And as always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.